Let's make this braided circle together. First, insert a circle shape. Resize it to 7 centimeters for both width and height. Remove the outline. Then duplicate the shape. Give it another color for better overview. Then place both of the circles above each other and delay slightly. The part still visible from the lower shape should resemble a moon. Then select both and go to Shape Format. Under Merge Shapes, select the option Subtract. Rotate your new shape by 90 degrees and place it centrally on the slide. Then duplicate and again rotate by 90 degrees. Now place the duplicated shape into the crease of the moon. Repeat this process 2 more times to fulfill the circle. Remember that you can find the Rotate options in the Shape Format tab. This tab only appears when you have actively selected a shape. Once your circle is completed, you can move on to the color choice. Select the colors based on your preferences or based on brand colors. If you would like to give multiple shapes the same color, make sure to select them all at once. For more depth, select all of the shapes in your graphic and give them a shadow. And there, you have your braided circle. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.